Hey Ray, Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. Thank you for reaching out to us. All right, so I went through your two funnels here. I watched your video, but I noticed right off the bat. So this is kind of I'll just open this one here first. So there's a common mistake that occurs when people clone their funnel. Okay, now I'm going to show you here. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. Then I'm going to go back a step, all right? So I can open both funnels here, all right? So this one here is opened right here in this window, okay? Right? And now I'm going to open up this second one here so I can show you. All right, so here we are here and here, right? So if we start on this one, the top one, all right, so your opt-in page, the thing that gets the mistake here is that this cogwheel and this cogwheel here, okay? They're the page path right here. All right. So let me show you. So your URL is here, right? And then this here is your page path here, right? You'll see these digits the system just adds, okay? So the one that's actually visible is here, right? So this is your page path. So if the system did not add this, you see here, right there, look there, it's identical to this other funnel here, okay? Let me see here. You may have changed this top one here. Okay, so this one is a little different. That's awesome. Let me look here because I did see here it is identical, okay? So this is where it matters as well, all right? So this one here, and you see that there, are identical besides these extra digits, okay? So that's the problem with each step. It's the same thing, all right? So both cogwheels, you need to change the page path, right? So you see here, this system is attempting to try to make this unique by adding these digits, but there's too many similarities, and the system is trying to read both funnels and both pages simultaneously, whether you're going through WordPress or ClickFunnels. As soon as the system is basically interacting with WordPress or the internet, whenever someone goes to the domain for this website, either through WordPress or through ClickFunnels, although they may be separate, the page paths are identical in both funnels and they're interfering with each other, okay? So let me show you this here, this one here. All right, let's go here. And you can see they're identical, okay? So the point is that, so for both funnels, you need to go, so at least one of them, okay? So if the first one here, if you want to keep everything the same, that's fine. The second one, at least, you have to go through each step. So each step, all the way through, both of these cogwheels, you need to update and make sure it is nothing. It cannot be even remotely close to any of these steps page paths, okay? So they need to be different, okay? They cannot be identical like that, all right? Although the system does try to create a unique signature at the end of it, it's not enough. There's too many variables, characters that are identical, and it's causing an issue, okay? So go ahead and say if you're going to choose your second funnel, that is all in ClickFunnels, go ahead and just make sure you go in to each cogwheel there. Change this. I know this one is different, so you can likely just leave this one here, but at least update this, okay? So change this one, all right? And then when you're done, update page, okay? And then do that for each step all the way through, okay? Now, once you make those changes, please go ahead and test your funnel and see if you are still getting that error. Before you test your funnel, I strongly recommend clearing your browsing data, okay? So clear your browsing data, okay? And then also your temporary files. I'll send you a link. You may know how to do this. Your temp files from your OS. So it's just the junk files, okay? That way you're clearing the browsing data and the junk files And then once you've done that, log out of ClickFunnels, okay? Then log back in. I think my video cut off. So what I want you to do is, once you've made all these changes, go ahead and clear your browsing data, okay? So clear your browsing data, all right? And then your temp files. And I'll, again, not sure if you heard this or not, but I'll send you a link, a video on how to do that. You may know how to do this already. It's just quick. It just gets rid of all the junk files. And then this is where. So, and then at that point, from there, give me 1 second. From there, you're going to open an incognito window, okay? And it's going to look like that. All right, and from here, you're going to log back into your ClickFunnels account. Go back to your funnel, all right, that you just updated all of the page paths for, and then go in and retest it, okay? Anytime you test a funnel, anytime you make changes like this from identical funnels, you absolutely need to clear your browsing data, your temp files, log completely out of your ClickFunnels account, open an incognito window, all right, and then go back in and retest your funnel, okay? You have to do this to give you a clean slate, to clear away all the background data, okay? All right, thanks, and I'll go ahead and put some instruction in text form for you so you have it, all right? Go and make those changes and then get back to me, okay? Thanks.